Is it working na? Ayan. Do I have money? Pamper day. Welcome to a day in my life all by myself. Fix the room first. Fix the CR din. Kasi sobrang gulo ng kwarto na to. Oh my God. Eh? Who are you? Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Morning here. Wala pang hilamos yan. We are actually in a hotel room. Di ba halata? Ayan. Mag-isa tayo today. Wait nga. I feel so distant to you guys. Slept here last night. And I have this bed all to myself. Sarap sa feeling. Ang liberating. Liberating! Welcome to my vlog. A day in my life. A day in my life. Joke lang. Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong content to. I'm just really just vlogging for the fun. I have the whole day all to myself. I feel like today, mag-aano lang tayo. Enjoy ko lang yung pagiging mag-isa ko. Kasi minsan lang to mangyari is yung totally solo gaming. Gets ba? Be. It's such a big deal to me. As someone who doesn't go solo or like is always with her family, always with her friends. When you get the time all by yourself, it's different. It feels different as well. It's so liberating, it's so peaceful. Yeah, it's a big deal to me. So I guess welcome to a day in my life all by myself. For now, I'm gonna take a shower and we're gonna go get breakfast downstairs. Sorry for my face nga pala. If napapansin nyo, ang daming tuldok-tuldok. Nagpa-prick kasi ako. Nagpa-face treatment ako recently. And there's still mga sugat sa face ko. It looks like freckles, they said. Or like moles on my face. But yeah. Gutom na ako. Oh my gosh. Tagal ko mag-ready. Okay. This is the final look. Very tita lang ang hair natin. Perfume ako. Magsa-socks pa ako. And I wanna try this out. Is it working na? That's so freaking cool. I'm going to bring this because why not? Ganyan. I'm gonna close my bag kasi baka biglang pumasok yung mag-make ng room. Wala naman masyadong aayusan kasi inayos ko na yung kwarto. Siguro mag-refill lang siya ng water and all that. Katabi ko lang kasi yung Ayala Malls. Maglalakad na lang tayo papunta doon. Kasi hindi ko afford yung mga pagkain dito sa hotel. Punta tayo, maglalakad tayo papunta sa mall. Katabi lang naman nito yung mall. So, parang mas practical yon. Magpa-pepper lunch na lang ba ako? Kasi I've really been craving for like samgyup something. Like beef. Grilled beef or something. Kasi di naman ako pwede mag-samgyup mag-isa ko. Parang hindi naman worth it. The pinaka-affordable I could think of is pepper lunch. So, baka doon din talaga tayo mag-end up. Nag-ayos-ayos pa ako and everything, tas mangangamoy samgyup lang pala tayo. Do I have money? Oh my gosh, yun pala ang tanong. Wala tayong pera na cash, pero I think we have e-money. You can pay with card. So, I hope that works. Gastos na naman. Alam mo, I really have to find a hobby that doesn't involve money or na gumagastos. Kasi grabe ang gastos ko. Lungkot, wala akong ka-date. Wala akong kaharap, guys. Naisip ko, mag-take out muna ako ng fresh spring rolls sa Hawaii. Ay, tiki po. Kasi gusto ko ng gulay. Kasabay ng pepper lunch ko mamaya. Pero doon tayo sa pepper lunch na tayo. Ang hirap mag-date yourself. Tiki po. Nawalang pera. Gutom na ako. Gusto ko na kumain. It's 1:04 p.m. Di pa ako breakfast, di pa ako nag-lunch. Isa pong jumbo.
Repeat ka lang po yung order.
Pwedeng Gcash ate. Dito na ako guys. We made it to the destination. Lalabas ko na tumuting na ako. I'm the only customer here. Wednesday, 1:18 p.m. Kung isipin malungkot ako kasi hindi siya malungkot. Sobrang saya ko ngayon na I'm like all alone. Malungkot siguro tingnan pag other people see me like eating all alone. But it's really not. People should actually normalize yung ganito. Gosh, look at this. So nice. Sarap! Kumain nga ako mag-isa kanina, diba? Tapos yung mga crew, ako parang sobrang worried nila sa akin kasi mag-isa ako kumakain. Yan, tagal ko dun. Kasi nanonood din kasi ako na Netflix nun. Lumabas na ako, diba? Tapos na kumain. Tapos ito na. Tapos lahat sila, sabay-sabay. Arigatou gozaimasu, ma'am. Ingat po kayo. Parang feeling ko tuloy. Kasi ako lang customer nila. Sinisipon pa ako, so singot ako na singot. Akala siguro nila malungkot ako or umiiyak ako, ganun. Tapos sabi na, lahat sila nag-bye sa akin sabay-sabay. Grabe, sinisipon talaga ako. Narinig mo ba? Hindi ko alam ba't ako bigla ako sinisipon. Feeling ko dahil sa contact lens ko kasi ang sakit na niya. Kailangan ko itagal. Going back to the hotel room number. I got my yaw-yaw. I'll see you guys later pag nasa kwarto na ulit ako. Hi! Okay, so I'm settled na dito sa bahay. I'm settled na here sa hotel room. I'm gonna be taking off my makeup. I think this is where I end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed my little strong independent woman day. This is how I usually date myself. I just eat outside, nagsha-shopping ako mag-isa, minsan I do my hair, do my lashes, do my nails by myself. A typical pamper day by myself lang. Sobrang gastos. Just brought you with me para lang makita nyo ano mga ginagawa ko sa buhay-buhay ko. I hope you guys enjoyed this little day in my life vlog. And if you guys want more, sabihan nyo lang ako. Kasi tamad ako mag-edit. Sobrang tagal pa siguro lalabas na itong vlog na to. So yun. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!